This is a short clip about using the grep command in Linux. As an example, I've got a program here called OzPOS, that means open source point of sale. If we have a quick look inside here, there's a file called readme.txt, and in there is a name, PHP point of sale, which was the original name of this program. It went commercial in 2011, but before that somebody, by agreement with the original author, wanted to preserve a copy of it as an open source program which could be downloaded free from the internet, and he decided to call it open source point of sale. But when he made the change, there were still a few instances of this phrase, PHP point of sale, which is going to be a trademark name eventually, and he wanted to find all instances of that and remove them. Now, he could go through each folder and each file in the folder. There are many of them, hundreds of them, and it would take a very long time, or he can use the grep command. So what we're going to do is have a look. I've opened a console or terminal, and I'm going to change directory, cd, change directory, desktop, so I'm where the folder is. So we know that the OzPOS folder is there, and now I need a command. So if I copy one I did earlier, which is this, it's grep space -r, and that means recursive, so it will go back and search through all of the files in all of the folders in the main folder. And there's space -i, and that means ignore the case, so look for it whether it's uppercase or lowercase. And I've got the term that we want to search for, which can be in double quotes or single quotes. So if I put it back to where it was originally in double quotes, that's okay. So we're looking for a phrase called PHP point of sale, space, and then OzPOS, which is the name of the folder that all the files are in. If I copy that properly and paste it into the console here, we'll see what happens. Press enter, and it looks through all of the files in all of the folders in that program folder. If I blow this up to full size now, we can see it more clearly. Let's separate some of this out. To do that, I need to put it into a text editor really. I can do that. If I open this text editor, paste it into there, then I can put some spaces in, and we can look at this line by line, and it will be very clear what we're looking at and where the particular instances of that phrase are, that text string. Okay, that was my command, that was what we put in there. And here in OzPOS application blah blah blah, in that file we have an instance of it, PHP point of sale. We can prove that by having a look, but we won't worry about that now. There's another one here, which is in the Indonesian folder, in that file. So within a few minutes we found out where the instances of it are. So PHP point of sale is in those particular folders, including the one we looked at earlier, the readme file there, where we got the original phrase PHP point of sale from. That was just a very quick look at how we can use grep to find something very quickly in Linux. There are many switches and pipes that you can use to refine searches and make them easier to use, make the results easier to read. That was just a quick overview. Hope that was helpful to somebody. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.